Do you want the
Wow, look at that.
I could take you to the first, second,
Look at
this.
This is our house for the Jim Clark Rally 2026. Ow!
Look at
Look
this.
at this, a beautiful living room ruined by cowboy boots.
Oh.
This house is very animal themed, it's great. There is a deer here, there is a deer there. These nice chairs. Quite, you can have a little sit here.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Sit down in the chairs.
I'll film you. Little sit down in the chairs.
Lovely chairs, very comfortable. Look, is this tartan? Is
Maybe,
that what tartan is?
yeah.
Scottish
In the home of tartan as
Absolutely,
well.
yeah.
There you go. This is the kitchen. We've got Archie cooking our dinner, which I pre-cooked. There's a horse head over there.
What?
Wow. That's nothing to call me. You can't call me that.
Oh, this one. This one. Elliot, what do you think of the house?
Oh my goodness, it's so much lovely. It's
It's good.
So lovely.
So much lovely.
So much lovely.
Yeah,
Very different to some of the other recon we've had.
Comparing this to what we used to have when we were in first and second year, oh my goodness, it's out of this world. Like, oh,
You happy with your bed?
yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
I haven't been upstairs.
For 4 years, I've been sat
Well,
sleeping,
No,
next to
I
someone
won't
else's
go
floors, on the floor, up here,
Well,
and now
wait,
finally
wait.
I'm at the top. I've got my own bedroom. I've got an ensuite. I'm absolutely loving it.
Loving it.
Yeah.
All right, should we go upstairs?
No, you've got to do some edgy like B-roll where you like zoom in and then like zoom out.
No, look, you could do this. You could do this. Look, it was just like, and this is pasta.
Wow, that was such
And
a
then it'll be like
cinematic
a-
shot.
A cool spinning in it. Like, and like now.
Edit that in later, Sam. A cool spinning shot.
All right, where are we off to
Continue
next?
our house tour then.
Thank you. Let's keep going.
So we're up the stairs. That's cool. That's actually really
I really
similar
like.
to.
I thought it was hung on the wall at first.
I
Didn't
think
realise.
that's lime stone or something. We have something similar in my house.
Oh.
Whoa! Whoa! A chandelier! Oh, this is the most cool photo of them all. It's a lion in a suit.
That is a lion in a suit. You can't get much better than that.
Hey, I made that.
Yeah, probably actually.
So cool. Now we move to Elliot's room.
Oh, lucky bastard.
He has the biggest room in the house, I think. It's quite a big bed. I'm not sure. God, Morgan. I'm not sure he's going to be able to get on it. Quite tall.
Yeah, it'll do. We'll put a little step ladder there for him.
A bit worried.
Ta-da!
The bath has feet. Morgan's loving the bath feet.
I can't believe we've seen a bath with feet.
Crazy.
Crazy.
So that pretty much concludes the house tour.
Do you want the house tour? I could take you to the first, second, third floor.
Ready? James, you ready?
La 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 la.
I think you want sorted.
Got 15 minutes!
Would you ask Mark towards the end to sit in the car so he can adjust the mirror? Because it.
10 minutes!
Check then.
Yeah.
What are you in your eyes station
Yeah, nothing. Actually,
Okay, James?
don't read. Come on, get your ready.
Different, so would that be how much can I put in there?
Yes, yeah, windscreen's done. There we go.
You just grab your back jacks down.
Okay.
Car going down!
Right, you go down, go. Grab me a couple zip ties.
Jack out!
I'll get zip ties. Cool.
Mind your feet.
Bring it down. The cable goes down the front like that. We just
7 miles.
That's nice. Woohoo! Yay! Woohoo!
Can use this footage now. Final service of the Jim Clark done.
Hands dirty, but
Right, we've got less than 2 hours till the ceremony, so Charlie's meant to be at the ceremonial finish. We should start getting the tool packed up and stitched stuff put away.
get packed up quick and go on a walk.
Oh yeah.
Tom, what are you saying? How do you feel the event went?
I think it went quite well. We haven't done anything stupid and all the services went fine, so I have no complaints.
If there was one thing you could have improved in that service?
Calm down a bit maybe, less fumbling.
Yeah.
It was a bit, I think the timing was when they did it and then it was just like shit.
Oh yeah, that's it.
And what's your favourite part of the event been so far?
Don't know, to be fair, I'll have to process it all.
Okay.
Yeah.
Not the pulled pork bats or chips the other day?
Well, chips are nice, we can have them any day.
Okay.
Positive for me, I haven't fully checked them all, but I think all the stickers are crease free, and that's fantastic.